Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import your Telegram wallet to TonKeeper. First of all, you have to open your Telegram application and you are going to click on your wallet, and then here you have your Ton Space Better. Of course, if you don't have your Ton Space Better, all you need to do is go to the top right corner where you have three dots. You are going to click on it and select settings. Now in settings is where you have your tone space better for you to activate. Now for me, I have already activated, so the button isn't here, so toggle on or off. But when you toggle it on, you are going to go back to your wallet and click on it and initialize your turn space better, because when you done that, you can now click on it and go to the top right where you can click on three dots and go to settings, and then you are going to click on tone space better again, and there you can see your recovery phrase. So it's actually when you are initializing your tone space better, that is when you are going to have your recovery phrase. So all I have to do right now is to tap on this here in order to view my passphrase. When I tap on it, there is going to be the option to copy the passphrase. When you have copied that passphrase to your clipboard, you can now go to your Ton wallet. So we are going to go to Ton wallet now. Right here we have our TonKeeper wallet, the dashboard, and at the top here we are going to see wallet. We are going to tap on it because there is an arrow there. You can see add wallet. So we are going to add the wallet. All of the options here, remember you copied your passphrase, so you are going to be pasting into an existing wallet. So we are going to select the second option here, existing wallet, and you are going to put your secret passphrase. You can see here it has to be up to 24, and that's what we are going to do right now. So now we find ourselves here, and this is after we have put in our 24 word passphrase, and we click on continue, and now it's asking us if we want notifications for this particular wallet. So we are going to enable notifications because it helps, and now we can select the icon, the color, and any customizations to our wallet. So put anything, then save, and now we have our second wallet. So we have our first wallet and then the second wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.